Today our topic different form of equation of a plane. Okay, the definitions: a vector which is perpendicular to a plane is called a normal to the plane. Okay, next theorem: the equation of the plane at a distance p from the origin and perpendicular to the unit normal vector d vector is r vector dot d vector equal to p. So p is nothing but distance from the origin. Okay, so the equation of the plane at a distance p from the origin radius or origin, we get the radius origin and perpendicular to the unit normal vector d. So origin and perpendicular unit normal vector d kulla distance is the p. R vector dot d vector is equal to p. Okay, then next Cartesian equation of a plane in normal, we get Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Otherwise, xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector dot Li vector plus Mj vector plus Nk vector equal to P. Okay, Cartesian equation of a plane in the normal form. Okay, the next one, standard formula r vector dot d vector equal to q. Okay, so d by modulus of the r vector dot that is equal to p and concept. We use this formulas in your problem solving. So listen carefully. Vector form, another one is a Cartesian form. Vector formula we get r vector dot d vector equal to p, and Cartesian form we get Lx plus My plus Nez equal to p. Otherwise this formula. Okay, this is normal form with a Cartesian equations. Next, equation of the plane in normal formula, vector form, vector equations. Okay, then here equation of a plane perpendicular to a vector and passing through a given point in the vector form. Vector formula enna formula na r vector dot n vector that is equal to q vector, where q vector equal to a vector dot n vector. Next, Cartesian form of the equations we have a of x minus x1 plus b of y minus y1 plus c of z minus z1 equal to 0. We use this formula. Now we going to learn the example sums. Okay, mom. So example 6.38, listen carefully. Find the vector and the Cartesian form of the equation of a plane which is at a distance of 12 units from the origin and perpendicular. Okay, to 6i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector. So here is given that origin and perpendicular to the distance d. D is nothing but 6i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector, and p is distance value we called p. P is nothing but 12. Okay, then we find a d vector d cap equal to d vector. So d cap is the unit normal vector, is the direction of the vector. In the vector is d cap கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம், that is equal to d vector by modulus of d vector. D vector in a 6i vector plus 2j vector minus 3k vector dividing by modulus of d vector. How to find the modulus of d vector? You know that modulus of d vector equal to square root of 6 square plus 2 square plus 3 squared. 6 are 36 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. So we get 36, 40, 49. So 7 7s are 49. We get square root, we get 7. Okay. Then d vector we get. What is the formula, mom? R vector dot d cap. Then the vector la cap. D cap is equal to p. P is the 12. Okay, what is your r vector? R vector is nothing but xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. Now you substitute dot product on a I vector dot I vector is 1. Upper 6x plus 2j minus 3z dividing by 7 is equal to 12. Okay, are you understand? This 7 you take that side, 12 into 7 we get 84. Okay, it is important 3 marks. Next, example 6.39. If the Cartesian equation of the plane 3x minus 4y plus 3z is equal to minus 8, find the vector equation of the plane in the standard form. Standard formula we are going to write. We know that what is your formula for the equation of the vector equation of the plane in the standard form. R vector dot the vector equal to P. Yes or no? So here R vector, you know that xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector. So is the position vector of the x comma y comma z in the plane. Now equation here is given that the equations we write in the form of split இங்க டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா 6. இப்போ இந்த ஆர்டரில் we write in this equations. ஓகே அப்போ எப்படி பண்ணலாம் 3x xi வெக்டர் 3i வெக்டர் minus 4y plus yj வெக்டர் minus 4j வெக்டர் 3z zk வெக்டர் டாட் plus 3k வெக்டர். Okay, இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் பண்ண we get this equation that is equal to minus 8. Okay, now negative sign இங்கே வந்து நம்மளுக்கு p ஓட value is a positive. So negative sign you take this side divide xi vector plus yj vector plus minus plus எல்லாம் we get minus minus we get plus that is equal to 8. So this is called which is the vector